Hi, it's Andrea from Club SciKidz. Today our challenge is going to be to make a boat that will float and stay upright. It's not just any challenge though, or any boat, but because this weekend is Easter, our challenge is you need to use PEEPs in your design. I have the chicks. You can either use the chicks or the bunnies or a combination of the two. What you need to do is use these as a base for your boat and then build the rest of your boat around it. You can use lots of different things. You can be creative. As I was starting to think about the boat that I was going to build, I got some materials. I have some paper, I have scissors, I have a little bit of tape. You may want glue. I have toothpicks, straws. You could also use popsicle sticks, cardboard, lots of different things. As you are planning and thinking about the boat that you're going to design, you need to think about a couple of scientific principles. The first one is density, and we looked at that in another lesson. That's having to do with sinking and floating. What materials float by nature, which sink by nature? That goes into your planning. Another thing you have to think about is displacement and also the stability. It's great if your boat floats, but if it tips right over, that's not very good. And then the other thing that you have to think about is how will your materials be affected in water? So while paper may seem like a good choice, you know what happens to paper very quickly in water. So that is the challenge that we're posing to you. Below are a couple of different videos to remind you about floating and sinking, and also some basic videos on how to build a boat. But remember, your twist is you need to use at least one of these delicious marshmallowy sugary treats. And again, it can be the bunny or it can be the chick or a couple of each, whatever you'd like. And then once your boat is built, you can go ahead and test it. You can float it in the bathtub or in a sink. And we'd love a picture of your final result. Have a great time building, and we will see you next time.